Okay, so just getting in real quick to talk about how I lost 8 pounds and what was it? I lost 8 pounds in like a week or so. And I'm mentioning it because in my video, it started with a trip to the hospital. I was saying that I was skeptical about weight training, even though I enjoy weight training. I was skeptical about doing it because I know that you're going to end up gaining weight. You know what I'm saying? Not overall, but you're going to gain some weight. Then, over time you'll start to slim down. So, but I enjoy it, and I went with what I enjoy, and I'm just confirming really what I was saying in the video. At some point, the weight's gonna melt off anyway. So it's like, don't let that intimidate you if that's what you want to do. So with that being said, I just wanted to say, I believe it was less than a week, but just for now, we're just gonna say a week. And the weight is steady, is melting off very quick. Not at an alarming rate, but it's coming off how it needs to come off, and I'm seeing these great changes. So this is just a small little update, especially for women who are nervous about lifting. I don't know, that misconception that's out there that everybody think you're gonna get super bulky and be the Hulk or something like that, and that's definitely not the case. That is not the case, and it takes a lot of work and it takes a lot of effort to even get on that type of status. But yeah, man, everything's going good. My blood sugar's going good. The weight's coming off. I got another doctor's appointment coming up soon, so I'm going to be, sharing some numbers, and we're going to see what he was saying, because I talked about that a little bit in that video as well. Go back and watch it if you like. No pressure, just if you want to. But I just wanted to share that little bit of information with you guys, and that's all I have for now. Hopefully I'm not looking too crusty. I'm out and about running some errands, so I hope you guys' day's going good. And of course, there's always positive energy that I'm sending out. Continue to take care of your mind, body, and spirit and heart space as always. And until next time, I'm out.